Hi, P17. Today you have a very special job. First, I want you to think back when you were in kindergarten and you knew that next year you were going to start pre-first in the elementary part of ASFG. How did you feel? I bet some of you felt nervous or unsure or confused or stressed or overwhelmed. You had a lot of questions. And the kindergartners that are going into pre-first next year, soon actually, in August, they have a lot of questions for you about what pre-first is going to be like. So today, you are going to answer one or two questions for kindergartners now that you are experts on pre-first. And you're going to do it in Flipgrid. Let me show you. So you're going to click the link that I give you and you're going to end up on our Flipgrid here called Advice for Pre-First. You can click the video to see my example. And then you're going to go down and you're going to click the big green plus and record a video of yourself answering the question that I give you. Make sure you add to the top a title of the question so that if the kindergartners are coming through, they can see, oh, this one will answer, who will my teacher be? I think you guys are going to be the perfect experts to help the kindergartners understand what to expect in pre-first and make them feel really excited about it. Make sure you're super friendly in your video and introduce yourself and give a big wave. And thank you so much for your help with this problem.